Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you phylum chordata. Phylum chordata is one of the important part of the animal kingdom. How we identify the animals belong to the phylum chordata. There is one of the most important and distinct character of phylum chordata is the presence of knot cord in the adult life or in the many stage of life, or presence of vertebral column or spinal cord. Except these, other characters are like the presence of pharyngeal gill slits and the presence of true phylum in the body. True phylum means there is a body system. As we are the human and we are come to the group of the phylum, we are also belongs to the phylum Mammalia, class Mammalia. So our body is also made of the several kind of system. So all the organisms which belongs to the chordata, their body consists of a system. There may be the one body system is present or the more than one body system is present. Subphylum, there is a first here three subphylums of the phylum chordata. First one is the Urochordata. Urochordata where the body soft and covered with a transparent tunic or test. Transparent tunic or test means there is this transparent layer. Tunic means which provide the full body covering, and which is we can able to observe the internal part, means there is the not clearly, but yes, we are able to see from one part of body to another part, that is the transparent. Second one, as it is the part of the phylum chordata, so definitely a knot cord is present, but knot cord is present only in the earlier stage of life, like the larval stage, not in adult stage. Remember, this is the important characteristic of Urochordata. Urochordata, knot cord is present in earlier stage of life, but in adult it is a lacking. It's a absent. Lacking means nahi hota hai. And the presence of many gill slit at the pharyngeal region. Examples is your Ascidia and Salpa maxima. Next one is your Cephalochordata. This is also second subphylum of the phylum chordata. Here body is the long, shrimp fish-like. So Cephalochordatas, all the organisms look like a fish, but they are not fish. Just look like a fish. Presence of what is the then here the distinct characteristic? Here the presence of gills, knot cord throughout the life. It's a presence of knot cord throughout the life, not in only a particular stage of life. In Urochordata, presence in a particular stage of life, like an earlier stage or larval stage, but Cephalochordata, here the presence of knot cord from earlier stage to adult stage. This is the very, very important, and this is the key difference. This is the key difference, or you can say the key characteristic to the separation of the urochordates and the cephalochordates. Next one, presence of numerous gill slits. This is the common characteristic in both euchordates and the cephalochordates. But the distinct character is the presence of knot cord throughout the life. Example is the Amphixius and Asymmetron. Next one, subphylum is the Vertebrata or Craniata. These groups we also come. Vertebrata or Craniata, from the name you know, the vertebral column is present. Presence of vertebral column. It means here knot cord is not present. Here the complex form of knot cord is present. The animals belonging to this subphylum have the complex vertebral column in presence of knot cord. Second is the Vertebrata and Craniata. So in this subphylum animals or organisms, brain is covered by a bony skull. Brain is covered by a bony skull, or is called bony box is called skull or the cranium. यानी इसमें जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं उनके ब्रेन जो है वो एक कवर्ड में रहते हैं, वो भी एक बोनी कवर्ड में रहते हैं, जिसको हम लोग ब्रेन बॉक्स, क्रेनियम या स्कल कहते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ a lateral appendage in the body as a locomotory organ. लेटरल अपेंडेज इन द बॉडी, यानी बॉडी के एक साइड से, दोनों साइड से जो है लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गन्स होते हैं। जैसे हम लोग अगर लें तो हमारे पैर जो है वो हमारे लोअर वेस्ट रीजन से दो साइड बाय साइड निकले हुए हैं। इसी तरह से आप एनिमल्स का, अगर बर्ड्स का लेते हैं तो उनके भी जो हाइंड विंग्स है दे आर इन द लिंग्स, दे आर कन्वर्ट इनटू द लिम्स। तो इस तरह से वर्टिब्रेटा एंड करें। तो कॉर्डेट्स फाइलम डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 सब फाइलम, यूकॉर्डेट्स, cephalochordates and vertebrata. I hope all of you understand these 3 and it is easy to learn all of you from here by distincting character. Okay.